In this video, we are going to talk about how you can earn money on Fiverr or various other freelancing websites, even if you have zero experience and zero skills. So if you're a college or school student, or you are just doing a 9 to 5 job and you just want to earn some extra money without any extra experience or skills, then this video is for you. So we all know that freelancers like developers, coders, designers, they can earn a lot of money using freelancing. And one of the most popular platforms for freelancing is Fiverr. But not many people know that you can earn money from Fiverr even if you have no experience and no skill. So let me tell you 5 skills that you can use without any experience or skill and still earn a lot of money on Fiverr. And we will start with number 1, and that is YouTube transcription. So I'm sure you love watching videos on YouTube, and there are various people out there who are looking for freelancers who can add captions and transcribe their videos into a different language. And for that, you don't need any extra skills, a basic understanding of English or any native language, and some basic typing skills. Skill number 2, background removal. Now this one is getting very popular in the e-commerce market, where people need to remove the background images from their product images. And you don't have to be a Photoshop guru for doing this. There are various platforms online available which can remove the background from any image using AI. And even you can do that with the pro version of Canva. Other than that, there are websites like remove.bg which can do the job perfectly for you. So if you get the pro version of all these platforms, all you have to do is just use them and earn money from your Fiverr gig. Skill number 3, that is product mockup. Now again, it's related to e-commerce. There are various e-commerce owners who need product mockups like t-shirt, mugs, or maybe any XYZ product. And for that, you can use websites like Placeit and create a mockup which is as good as a real photo shoot. So you can sell these mockups as your Fiverr gig and earn as a freelancer. Skill number 4, website and app testing. Now this one is getting very popular in the app market, where people want someone who can use their apps and give the developers feedback, what they feel about the app and various other stuff. So if you are good in reviewing things and you can give some good bad feedbacks for websites and app, then this skill can earn you a lot of money on Fiverr. And again, without any skills and experience. Skill number 5, YouTube intros. Not just YouTube intros, you can create logo animations and you can create some Instagram videos, and all that can be done without any knowledge of video editing. There are websites like Canva or InVideo that you can easily use. Use the template available on their website, just change the text and images and background videos, and you will be ready with your YouTube intros, outros, logo animation, and various other video templates. And of course, you don't have to be an expert in video editing. You can easily use these platforms and create these templates. And there is a huge demand of freelancers on Fiverr who can do this job. So these are some of the skills that you can use to earn money on Fiverr, even if you don't have any experience or skill. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.